Here I've got ID2ME ID1, and let me show you how to activate developer options on the following device. At first you have to open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings, scroll down to the very bottom of the list and pick About Phone. Scroll down one more time and the very last icon is build number, so just keep tapping on it until you see the notification about being a developer. And that's it. As you can see, you are a developer now. Let's go back. And now here under printing, you'll notice developer options. Open them. And from now on, you will be able to use those very advanced features. For example, you can, okay, sorry for that. You can, let's open developer options. You can unlock OEM, you can check the process and all the others. If you would like to switch off those options, just tap on this switcher in the upper corner. And now you're back a normal user. You should not be able to open developer options from now on. And then, as you can see, they are locked. If you will enable them, you will be able to use them one more time. So that's it. Enjoy being a developer. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.